Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty and I am a health coach. So today I thought of discussing something very interesting that came into my mind when I got up in the morning because with all the situations we all are facing every day now because of the pandemic of COVID-19, every one of us are going through series of thoughts which are either when is this going to end, or either I don't know. I mean, how are we going to function like this, and will this end or not? So these kind of thoughts, or something which is this never happened in our when till now. I never faced such kind of thing ever. Like our mothers and grandmothers are saying that we never came across such kind of pandemic ever. So this kind of talks, this kind of thought process which keeps going in our mind, making us think over, is this going to end ever? Are we going to face it like this? Are we not going to interact with our friends? Are we not going to come back to what we were earlier, partying, having a social life, having fun with our friends, talking to people? We never had to think that before meeting anybody, should I wear a mask or not? So these are some of the thoughts which are going in everyone's mind, and I would like to take a moment today to make you all aware of something which is called power of now. Power of now is like right now, what do I have in my hand? Can I choose to live in the past where I regret the past, or am I fearful of my future where I think that if I don't do certain things, my future can be into jeopardy, or else the future is making us fearful in the present. So am I living this moment in the past, or in the future, or in the present moment? Am I living the moment in the present moment? That's something we all should be really working on, because most of the time either we are living in the past or in the future and we fail to live in the present. Now, why do we do that? Because what is there in the present sometime does not attract us, or rather we all are tuned, habituated to live in the past, regretting the past, or being fearful or planning the future. So let's understand how can we remove lot of stresses in our from our life by living in now, by living in the present. And that's something which we all can do, and that's something we should do. We would, I would say, we all would be taking a lesson from today's video, that how do we do that. Okay, now life is series of present moment. I have a choice when I get up in the morning, thinking that what did I do yesterday, or what am I going to do tomorrow, by planning tomorrow, or living in this present moment when I get up in the morning, view a beautiful nature in front of me, be with my kid, be with my own self, be enjoy the small moments of having cup of tea with our loved ones, living in the moment in the sense of, otherwise either, like, if we all get up, the woman will be thinking about, abhi I have to do this lunch, this dinner, I have to wake up my kid in this time. All this will be there in the present moment, but keeping that and plan into picture, don't forget to live in the present moment. Right now, maybe the kid is cuddling you and you forget to see that because you are into the future of, I have to wake her up at 7:30. So try to live in the present moment. Right now, I may be worked up with my office pressure, and I forget to see in the present that I have a loving partner with me, or that I have a loving mother with me, or that I have a beautiful day and I'm alive. That itself is beautiful sense of being in present. So life is actually series of present which turned into past, or which is going to turn into future. So what we are going to live in future is something which will be this present, or what went in the past was a present itself. So if we just get aware of this, that in this moment I live my life completely in the present, it will just make you very blissful. You will not even feel the pain of the past or the fear of the future. Second, all the pain that we experience is because we resist change. Whatever we did in the past, we regret that, and because we could not change anything about it. Or whatever is going to happen in the future, sometimes it's not happening, but we make it so much in our head that it actually feels like happening now. Like, the COVID will never end. That's something I start feeling now. I have not got any symptoms, but I may get it. I may contract something. So all that imagination of the future can make you not live in the present. That is not yet happened. Fear is all about something which doesn't exist. And you're resisting the change. Change in the sense of pain is because you are not accepting what is there in the present and living in the present for that matter. Something which is there. We have to live with it. Accept it and don't resist it. The moment you resist something in your life, it persists in a very strong way. It actually persists in a very strong way. I'll give you an exercise, which is a very favorite exercise of mine. Close all of your eyes, and I'll say, don't think about an elephant. What comes into your imagination? Elephant. So if I say, I don't want to feel the pain, I will feel the pain. I don't want this in my life, I will feel this. I will feel it more and more. I don't want to face COVID at all. You will feel it more. Because don't is something which your brain doesn't take. And you're resisting something, it will persist because you are thinking about it constantly. Your pain is because you're not accepting something which is there and you're not trying to live with it. Your resisting is too much. If you don't resist, everything is just in the moment and it will pass. It is not going to stay with you forever. It will just pass. Nothing remains. If you're in the present, nothing remains. It just stays there and your body takes care of it, your mind takes care of it, universe takes care of you. And we all can go through it. Any kind of grief that you experience, even in the present, is mostly because of the past or the fear of the future. And if it is there in the present, not accepting it and resisting it can increase it to 10 times more than you could have experienced. So, any pain and suffering is because we are resisting the change or we are resisting the pain itself. Accept it and it will go, it will pass. Another important thing is that you can free yourself from any kind of pain, but even if it's in present, by observing your mind and not judging your thoughts. Whenever you start thinking, stop your thought by saying, what will be my next thought? And you will see there will not be any next thought, there will be a gap. That time you're actually catching hold of your thoughts. You're not allowing it to go on autopilot. Catch hold of your thought at that moment itself. What will be my next thought? Is it in the present? Am I really thinking what I want to be, what I want in my life, or actually I am just reliving the past or being reliving or living a future which is yet not happened in my imagination? Separate yourself from those thoughts and you will see the thought is gone. Like if I get up late in the morning, first thing comes into my mind is shit, yeah, I should have done something, put an alarm or something so that I could get up in the day. Now I'll have a lot of, no, this is the thought of the past. Now I'll have a lot of work in the office. That's the thought of the future. No, I shouldn't have been such a lazy person. Labeling of your own self. Stay there. You got a plate, I got a plate. Accept it. And you will see next plan of action or next thought will definitely be more empowering than making you prison of your own thoughts or disempowering you. Have a thought which will empower you. It should be in your hand, not in the hand of the situation. Whatever you do is something which should make you powerful and positive, and you will see life changes for good. All the pain out there is the creation of your if your mind. Choose your thoughts and create your life. What better than this anybody would want? Your pain is a creation of your own mind. Your happiness will also be creation of your mind. So choose your thoughts and be happy. Saying that, that's something, a small gist of Power of Now, which I wanted to gift you all in this present moment of COVID we are going through. I'm sure you all must have enjoyed it. Let me know. I'll be happy to know your comments. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again. Stay tuned.